guys, and welcome back to another week of What's for Dinner. My name is Stephanie. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new, hello and welcome. And to my subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for joining me for this video. This video is going to be extra awesome because I am collabing with Amanda over at Hottt Mess Mom. I absolutely love her channel. She's always posting like new and fun videos. She has a great variety of content, and she also, of course, does the like what's for dinner videos that we all know and love, and she has a ton of variety in those as well. She's also hysterical. I follow her on Instagram and I'm always looking at her stories because I know that I'm gonna get a laugh. So I will link her channel below and definitely go check her out. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so first up, I'm making some tomato basil marinated chicken breast or chicken tenderloins. I use the Grill Mates tomato basil seasoning packet that I got in a previous grocery haul, and I just cooked these up in a pan. I marinated it for about 4 hours, and these tasted amazing, and it was super easy to make. I just made a side of Parmesan orzo and some broccoli, and I'll show you how I make the Parmesan orzo. I will say that a lot of this is just kind of eyeballing and, you know, doing to your taste. There really is only 3 ingredients, like outside of salt and pepper. So it's just orzo, Parmesan cheese, and butter, and it tastes so good. I really hope you guys try this. I usually put around 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. If you want it cheesier, definitely add more. If you don't want it as cheesy, definitely add less. You guys know the deal, but I really hope you make this because it's really good. Alright, so this is everything all plated up. This was super delicious and just a really quality meal for like a 6-ingredient dish, and that's like counting the little seasoning packet. So super delicious and super easy, and I really hope you guys make this one, especially on a weeknight. It's awesome. So speaking of few ingredients, tonight I am making a 4-ingredient meatloaf. It's supposed to be 4 ingredients, but you guys know me. I had to season it like and be super extra. You definitely don't have to do that. That's just a me thing. But one thing I will say about these is that I feel like I needed a little more water in them. The middle was really delicious, but like the outsides were a little like rough, like a little tough to chew, you know what I mean? So I will definitely either use like a higher fat meat or a little bit more water in this. But all in all, it was a really good, like, it turned out really delicious when it wasn't super dry. But the inside, like I'm saying, like it was really, really good. I definitely encourage you guys to try this recipe, but definitely use more water. I will too. Alright, so I have a fun kind of life hack for you guys. When I try to make crescent rolls, they literally never turn out, not one's the same. So basically what I started doing to kind of like save time and aggravation was I started making little crescent like buns, like, you know, like dinner rolls, but just out of crescent dough. Best decision I've literally ever made. This made 7, but I could have cut it a little bit thinner and it would still make 8, just like the crescent rolls, and they're amazing. I'm going to show you them when I plate this up. These are little meatloaves when they came out of the oven, and I just put them with some mashed potatoes and some more broccoli. Look how cute the little crescent roll is. I guess it's not a crescent roll, but it's delicious, whatever it is. So tonight we are having slow cooker beef stroganoff. I did make it with mushroom stock instead of beef stock this time, and the flavor changed. Like it's so good. I definitely recommend using mushroom stock if you could find it. That is a packet of the Lipton onion soup mix. I've made this before in a previous video, but I'll just show it to you guys anyways. I'm gonna go ahead, stir this up, put it on low, and go to work, and I'll show you what I do with it when I get back. So this right here is definitely a personal choice. You can totally throw this in the slow cooker. For me, I just feel like you get so much more deeper of a flavor. You get a deeper flavor of like mushroom than you would if you just threw it in there, I feel anyways. So for me it makes a difference, so I just saute it in a pan with the onion until it gets like nice and brown like that. Then I'm gonna deglaze the pan with some of that mushroom stock and dump it all in, and I think that it heightens the flavor like 20,000%. But again, you can just throw in the onions and the mushrooms and they'll still be in there and it'll still be good. I just do it this way. You can do it however you want, your kitchen, your rules. I'm just showing you my options. So I'm going to go ahead and put about half of an 8-ounce tub of sour cream in there. My other video, I put heavy whipping cream, but I just didn't have any, so I threw in some sour cream. I can't taste the difference, but I do know that some people don't like sour cream. Again, like I said, I don't taste it in there, but if that's an issue, definitely go ahead and just throw in 1/3 of a cup of cream. I went ahead and drained some egg noodles and tossed them in here. A little salt and pepper to finish, and this is the final product. It is absolutely delicious, super easy. Definitely highly recommend you guys make this at home. So tonight I'm going a bit easy. I'm making a sheet pan dinner. This is where I usually just clear out my veggie drawer and just put in whatever I have. So I just had some peppers, onions, and zucchini, and I think I threw in some carrots as well. You know, I love sheet pan dinners. They're so versatile. So of course, speaking of versatile, you know I love that kielbasa sausage. If you've been around here for a while, that's definitely a go-to for me. So I just seasoned it up. You can season it up however you want, and I threw it on a sheet pan and baked it in the oven, and dinner was pretty much done. I ended up making some rice on the side, but you don't even have to do that. So Josh asked for me to leave him like a bigger piece for a sandwich, so I did that. But that's everything before I put it in the oven. And this is everything when it comes out of the oven. It's absolutely delicious and super duper easy. Like I said, you don't even have to make like rice like I did. You can just throw some potatoes on there, and then literally it's a full sheet pan meal. You don't have to make anything on the side. I absolutely love sheet pan dinners. I do them whenever I can. And this is what it looks like all plated up. Super delicious, super quick, easy go-to, definitely on top of my list. So tonight we went to my sister's for dinner. She got a brand new grill, and it is grilling season, obviously, as everybody knows. So we came over to try that out. She made the burgers. I helped out and brought the hot dogs. My contributions will be seen later, but yeah, she made fantastic cheeseburgers. They were super delicious. I made the coleslaw right there. We had some corn. I also made this little Greek pasta salad. We had some, brioche buns. Everything was super delicious. You gotta love cooking out and grilling and all that. Super, super good. Alright, so the last thing we're making this week is some lasagna. I already cooked the meat sauce on my meal prep day, and I will link that video here. I just put it together, and it's just, I'm so happy. I pulled it out of the freezer and I warmed it slowly on the stove, and it took no time at all, and it's just made lasagna so much easier. I also made that jarred garlic in my meal prep as well, and it is so good, you guys. I had some comments, people asking me about if it went well. This is a lifesaver. I'm so excited, like I can't even explain to you guys. I'm super pumped. So this is the ricotta mixture that I'm going to go ahead and put on the noodles and in the lasagna, and I'll show you how I layer everything up. So tragically, I lost the clip of me plating this, and I had it with some salad and some garlic bread. Lasagna is always delicious. I absolutely love it, and making that sauce ahead of time was like such a game changer. Alright guys, that's going to do it for me this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to go check out Amanda's channel. I really think you guys will absolutely love it. If you're from Amanda's channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you'll stick around. I hope everybody has a blessed and awesome week.